Blessed love, my fit marketers, athletes, and today I have for you a very great video with push-up from level 1 to 5, and I will also show you how to put them in a routine. Okay, so with that said, let's go. And we're starting off with the regular push-up, and this, as you know, works the entire chest and a part of your shoulders, and some triceps are also in there also, and this is great to start off the routine. Next we have diamond. Here we go with the diamond push-up, and because of the close grip it focus a bit more on the triceps, but it also works the chest greatly and a part of the shoulder. So a very lovely exercise to work the chest and triceps. Okay, and here we have the incline, and this focus a bit more on the lower chest. So a very great exercise to drop in the routine, as this is a chest and tricep routine. And next we're gonna go for the opposite, which is decline. And here we have the decline, which focuses on the upper chest. Yes, and still working the chest, triceps and shoulders with this routine. So the decline is lovely to build that upper chest, get you that great look that you're looking for. And this is the pseudo plunge push-up, and this push-up is very great for the tricep, shoulders and the lower chest. Very lovely push-up. So start with your hand at your waistline, lean and push up. Very lovely. I love this. This is one of my personal favorites. And there you have it, push up from level 1 to 5, and how to put it all together in a great routine. So if you enjoy the video, hit like and comment in the comment section. Let me know which level you at, and also hit the subscribe button and that notification bell for more videos like this, and we post every Wednesday 7 p.m. sharp. Thank you for watching this video. Julius Ellis from Fit Marketer. I'm out.